Hey, we've all had it happen before. You've started the bolt crooked, or maybe you've got the grip strength of the Hulk and you've over-tightened it. Well, a leaky fuel bolt, it's probably not a scenario that's going to end very well. But a strip bolt doesn't mean that you have to throw your old carburetor away and buy a new one. Holley carries a convenient kit, part number 26-2. It can repair the threads on your fuel bolts for most popular 2 and 4-barrel carburetors from Holley, Brawler, Demon, and Quick Fuel. The kit works for both zinc and aluminum carburetors. It's pretty straightforward, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to do. The Holley kit comes with a tap, installation tool, and enough helicoil inserts to repair 15 holes. You can purchase more if need be. It does not, however, come with a drill bit. You'll have to supply your own. Since we already know our bolt diameter and thread pitch, 1224, we don't have to bother measuring them. But if you have a carburetor that you're questioning the bolt size on, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and check it yourself. It's easily done with a drill guide and a set of thread pitch gauges. Our first step is to prep the hole for the thread inserts. Do this by drilling out the damaged hole with the appropriate drill bit, 15/64 in this case. Keep the drill bit parallel to the hole and be careful not to drill too deep. Only drill deep enough to remove the old threads. A drill press can make the job even easier. Once you've got the hole drilled out, use compressed air to lightly blow it out and remove any shavings that might have been left behind. Next, we'll use the tap that's supplied in the Holley kit and our tap wrench to tap some new threads. Again, be sure that you're parallel with the hole so you get good, clean threads. And be sure to use some cutting or tapping fluid or even oil when you're cutting new threads, especially when tapping aluminum. I usually try and rotate the tap about a full turn in and then back it out about a half a turn, repeating the process over and over until the tap bottoms out and you've cut all the threads. If it gets hard to turn, you may have to remove the tap completely and add more oil to finish the job. Cutting fluid or oil helps keep the tap from seizing in the hole because there's nothing worse than breaking off a tap and having to try and remove it. Go ahead and clean up your tap and blow the hole out with some air. Now that we're drilled and tapped, the next step is to install our insert with our insert tool. Thread the new insert onto the installation tool just like this until it bottoms out. Now we can carefully start the insert into the clean hole. Keep threading it until the last piece is just below the surface. You see that tab in there? We need to remove it. So take a small hammer and a punch and give it a good tap. It should break off without any problem. Don't forget to blow the little tab out of there or remove it with a pair of needle nose pliers so it doesn't interfere when you install the new bolt. With our repair complete, we can go ahead and confirm that it works. Congratulations, no more leaky fuel bowls. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the Holley Performance YouTube channel for more great how-to videos.